Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here is another Math Olympiad question. Let's solve it together. So first, always read the question properly. The difference between the squares of two consecutive numbers is 271. So we have difference, we have two consecutive numbers and square. So let's consider one number as x. So the next number will be x plus 1. Then next is the difference, right? Difference between the squares. So x plus 1. We'll take the larger number first so that the division will be positive. The subtraction will be positive. Okay. So x plus 1 square minus x square is equal to 271. Okay. Now let's simplify this. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square is equal to 271. Okay, so this x square will be cancelled. We'll transfer 1 here, so that will be subtracted. 2x is equal to 270. X is equal to 270 divided by 2, which is 135. So x plus 1 will be 136. So your answer is option C. So friends, this is the way we can solve any Math Olympiad questions with proper steps and reading properly the questions. In coming days, I am going to upload few more questions regarding Math Olympiad. If you don't want to miss them, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.